in the second part we will obtain the bar plots. So for the bar plot command, we will write bar plot, and first of all we will obtaining the bar plot for the table drawn on the marriages. So table marriage, which we obtained in the first part, comma, Horace is equal to true within capital letters, and then LAS less is equal to 1. You must have done these things earlier. Then the title, which we write in the main is equal to the title we are giving. Suppose I'm giving the title happiness, distribution of happiness. Okay, distribution of happiness, because in happiness table of marriage the various factors are happy, unhappy, very happy kind of things. That's why I'm giving the title distribution of happiness. You can see this is the bar plot, and this very happy is 38% as we obtained in the first part in table of marriage. Okay, now let's again bar plot for the table, contingency table obtained on has, kids and marriage variables. So the command would be bar plot table. We have obtained this table earlier. Okay, has, kids, comma, marriage, the same thing, Horace is equal to true. Okay, now I'm writing legend is equal to true. Then the same less is equal to 1. And now the arguments args dot legend. Okay, suppose this means where do I want to place my legends. Suppose I want to place it at bottom right corner, so I will write it as the vector c x is equal to within quotes bottom right. Okay, then again the title we will write main is equal to whatever the title we want to give. Suppose the title I am giving as happiness by kids. Happiness by kids. Okay, now let's see this bar plot. See this bar plot. This is happiness by kids. You can see, right? So this is very happy, and see the dark gray area is no. So this represents the number of the families who are very happy but no kids, and this light gray area represents the number of the families who are very happy and have kids. Similarly, this one, this small dark gray area represents the number of families who are unhappy and have no kids, and this light gray area represents the number of families who are unhappy but yes, they have kids. Okay, so this is the role of bar plot. You can see. Now we can place these legends anywhere, either at the center or top. Anywhere we can place these legends. I'll show you once more. Bar plot table has, kids, comma, marriage, Horace is equal to true, comma, legend, same, legend is also true, less is equal to 1 I'm taking. And now the placement of these legends. Suppose I want to place these legends by here, top. Okay, so I write it this x is equal to within quotes top. It depends upon you. Where do you want to place your legends? Means the title. Happiness by kids. Okay. See this. The legends are placed at top. If you have written it center, then the legends must be placed somewhere here at the center. You can also write some other position, so they will be placed like that. Okay. Next is bar plot. You can plot any bar plot for any table, any contingency table. You can do the things, right? Now I am taking another data set from the same package Woolridge. So I am taking the data set CEOSAL1, COSAL1, CEOSAL1, COSAL1 from the package Woolridge. Package Woolridge. I'm loading it. Okay. Right. Now let's see the variable in this data set COSAL1. Suppose I'm obtaining a variable from this data set called return on equity. So I'm calling this variable name as ROE. ROE means return on equity. It is equivalent to, it is ROE is equal to, from this data set, okay, I am taking the variable ROE. Small ROE is a variable name present in the dataset COSAL1, and I am saving this variable name in capital ROE, means return on equity, right? If you want to see this variable name, you can see these are the values in this variable name ROE. And basically this capital ROE is the variable name which is stored in the variable small ROE. Now you can obtain the histogram for this variable. The command would be hist and then this variable name ROE. See, this is a histogram on ROE for these many values. For these values, this is the histogram. Okay, you can see histogram of ROE, return on equity. Now we can also draw the histogram with breaks, manual breaks. So what is the command for that? The command would be hist, the variable name ROE, and let's see, let's give the breaks. Breaks we are take as the vector. Suppose we are giving the breaks at 0, 5, 10, 20, 30 and 60. Okay, let's see. See, this is a histogram. The breaks are given at the value 0, 5, 10, then 20, then 30 and then 60. So this is the histogram with manually chosen breaks, right?